Internships are a great opportunity to get a foot in the door. Internships helps you to observe keenly how the work is being done, and when you're being given a small project, it is a great opportunity to showcase that you can deliver that. And people are watching you during internship, right? So it gives a great opportunity to showcase to them that you can be a valuable contributor to the team. And I've seen a lot of young students who get into internship and that get converted into an offer. Take up internship very seriously. Work in such a way that you are able to learn and contribute, and you will see miracles happening. And internships also put in a lot of weight to your resumes, right? As Sunil Gavaskar used to say, catches win matches. For me, internships and projects win interviews. So the more the internship, the more the projects that you have done, better is your opportunity to crack those interviews.